Okay, now, so we are going to start our first project using Canva. And like we discussed yesterday, the different types of design concept. So let us start with the first one, a minimalist design. So we are going to create a minimalist design. So first thing first, let us create a new page from this document that we're working on. If you want to create a new page, just slide to the left, slide your screen to the left. You see this? You can see it has created a new page. A new blank page has been created. So we want to create a minimalist design of a book cover. An Instagram post. An Instagram post of a quote. So first we're going to bring in an object or an animal or something. So let's go to the plus sign, and we want a dog. For dog lovers, let's say dog. So we search for a dog. You can see we have different types of dog. If you want a dog without background, you can see, if you want photos, you can click on see all. If you want graphics, you can click on see all. So let's choose see all on photos. So when you say see all, it opens the different dog images that you can find on Canva. So in this, I want to select this. So this is our first object on the stage, where you can see it's too big, so we will reduce it. Just hold the edge. You can't reduce from the corner. You can see it's going to grow bigger. So what you do, if you want to reduce from the angles of the picture. So you take the angle down, or at least like this, and then I'm going to bring in a shape. Go down to scroll it down here and select elements. So when you select elements, you want to bring in a square box. And now we're going to study about colors, but for now I need a yellow design. So I can increase here, like this. So I'm going to go first and change the color of my box. You click on the box, you see it's currently red color, so I'm going to go and change it to my yellow. Now Canva selects colors from all the designs on your stage when you are walking, so it gives you options of colors based on the object you have on the stage. So here are, I'm going to click on the plus sign and click the yellow button, and I can move the yellow to what I want. Okay, I think this feels good. So this color is okay for me. So as it stands, so I'm going to write the title of my post. Then I'm going to come down to plus. I go to text and select a heading post, the first one, because I want a very bold caption for my post. And I just tag my post as a dog fan. So I'm a dog fan. I love dogs. So I've increased the size. I can drag it from the angles and increase it or reduce it from here, or I can go to my, at the bottom here where I have my tools, click on the font size. This, you see, is 115, so I can reduce it to 98. And then I also have a preference of the kind of font I want to use. So I could come down to my font, which is this. I need a bold font because this is a heading. So I will look for something that is bold. I like this Antonio. So I select it. So you can see what I've got. I've got this. So if you check, this is my simple design, and I can also put a line underneath. So now I've clicked on the plus sign, go to elements. I want to draw a line. You can see a line here at this point here. So I select this, and that's a line. So I can move the line up to this. Now you can see at the bottom here you have the line color, line style. So for my line style, I want it to be the line weight. This is 4. I can increase from 4 to 8. So you can see the line is now thicker. Then I change the color to gray, something this or this. Now because I'm using yellow, I like to give my line a yellow color. So I'm going to change the color to yellow. So you can see that. So then I'll write my text inside the small box. So I go to text, click on text, click on add a little bit of body text, which is this, to add your text in there, and then you reduce it, drag it, kind of put it to the center. So you can actually position the text where you want it to be, and then I'll type what I want to type. The best pets you can have is a very loyal dog. So this is my quote. I can still change the font, go to font and change it to my preferred font. Now at this time I want to use this. Okay, that's in caps, so I'm changing it. I'm going to use this. Alright, so now this is my quote, and then to make it look like a quote, I'm going to put the picture of a quote. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, click on elements, and then search for quote, Quote, and then I search. So now here it is. I have different quotes, so you can see. So I'll just put this first one. So this is okay. I will reduce the size up, and black is perfect for what I want to do. So now this is my design. To give it realistic feel, I'll need to add a shadow to where the dog is sitting to make it look like he's actually sitting on the floor. So you click on the plus sign and type in shadow. So you can see different type of shadows that are in Canva. So I can select this first one. So you can see this. So I'm going to take it down and send it to the back. Now this is where you need your position. Go to screw down or screw to the left. You see position here. You select position and you say send backward. You can see it's behind that object, but it's covering the dog leg. So send backward again. Now you can see it's now covering. The dog is now sitting on the shadow. So you can reduce the size of the shadow and drag it somewhere here. Okay, so now in this case we need it to actually be kind of let's push it up a bit. So now it's too dark, so we're going to reduce the opacity or the transparency. So you scroll to the left again and look at transparency. When you click on transparency, you reduce that. Good. So now you can see what we have. A dog fan. The best pet you can have is a very loyal dog. So this is a minimalist design. As simple as it is, you can post this on your social media handles. So we're going to create another type of design in our next class.